Hey guys, it's Joni from simplelivingmama.com, and today I thought I would do something a little bit different and show you all of the resources that we used for our seeds, trees, and leaves unit for my preschooler and my kindergartner. I have several books here that I got from the library and several different activities that I'm excited to show you guys because we had so much fun with this unit. To start with the books. This is the Trees, Leaves, and Bark book, I believe, from the Take Along Nature Guides. We love these books. We've had the bird book and a few different others, and they're just so much fun to look through and try to identify whatever part of nature you're trying to identify. So that's a good book. This is called It Starts with a Seed. It's a very sweet and simple story about a sycamore seed. So we got to follow its journey to becoming a tree. And it was just a sweet little book, perfect for preschoolers. The next book is Tap the Magic Tree. This one was so much fun for my 3-year-old. It's kind of interactive. So he gets to tap on the book, and as we turn the page, we see the tree go through each of the seasons. So it was a lot of fun for him. Next book, this is Leaf Man. It is a really great book, and we did a really fun activity with this book that I will show you guys here in a minute. But we had a blast looking through this and trying to find our own ideas for making our own leaf mint. This Autumn Leaves book is just gorgeous. It shows you what different leaves look like during the autumn from several different trees. So it was sort of an autumn take on the Trees, Leaves, and Barks book that we had earlier. And Red Leaf, Yellow Leaf was another fun book. It sort of took us on a journey to finding a tree in a nursery to bring home and plant in our own yard. So that is something that I think we may be interested in doing in the future. This book was great for that inspiration. A couple of different activities that we did with this unit. This was from totschooling.com, I believe, and this was just a fun Play-Doh mat that the kids could decorate the tree with Play-Doh leaves, and this was a neat shadow matching activity. I even enjoyed doing it, so just matching the fall leaves to their shadows, so that was a lot of fun too, and you know, all of my kids enjoyed doing this one. I printed out several different acorn and leaf themed printables. My kids love doing do-a-dots, especially my 2-year-old and my 3-year-old. So I will have the links to the different places where I got these printables, but there's all different kinds, alphabet printables, number printables, all with a leaf theme. So they had a lot of fun dotting those, and a lot of these aren't done. The ones that we didn't actually do, I'm going to save for next year. So here I made a felt acorn anatomy. I got this template from Mama's Happy Hive. I have been loving her felt templates for different bits of nature. So I did this so we could learn the different parts of the acorn. We also did a fall leaf watercolor painting, and we also bought the tree unit from the Peaceful Press, and we did a lot of activities from there. We did a bark rubbing with this letter T. I thought that was kind of fun. And we did the anatomy of the tree, and there's like an entire month's worth of ideas and activities in that Peaceful Press unit. Finally, I want to show you guys this gorgeous autumn leaves guide from Growing Brave. This is just great to have for reference. Beautiful watercolor pictures of leaves, explanations and descriptions of them. I love adding these to our lessons as well. Here's a look at some of the other leaf paintings that we did, that my other kids did. That's it for this unit. I will have a blog post packed with links to everything down in the description box below and more details if you want to check those out. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.